Makeup for dance should be as natural as possible. There's no point in elaborating every feature just to make you feel that you are beyond something that's normal. I don't think that's the right way. For me, a stage makeup should enhance your features, should enhance your complement your skin and the look and feel. Of course, when you're presenting a character, then yes, it needs, the aharya is important to collaborate with the knowledge that is necessary to give to people through aharya. But normal stage makeup should be something that makes you look and feel better rather than following a stereotype system of enhancing your features, which may not be the best looking thing to do.